Assalamu alaikum. We welcome you all to this great occasions for the 33rd annual general meeting of Reliance Insurance. Though it was a great occasion for our nation when we celebrating the golden jubilee of our birth of Bangladesh and anniversary centennial anniversary for the birth of father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. I, Mohammad Baman Rashid, welcome you all to this virtual annual general meeting of Reliance Insurance Limited.
On behalf of Reliance family, I personally grateful to our honorable board of directors who guided us uh, by sharing their wisdom and experience and their insight thoughts to way forward and to lead the company. Despite the fact that COVID-19 pandemic situation, we must be proud to our employees who has provided superior customer service during this period. At Reliance, coronavirus affected some of my colleagues who, by the grace of Almighty Allah, eventually recovered. We put on our best efforts to ensure safety of employees in our all offices. And in order to cope with the impact of COVID-19 on our business, we have taken a number of protective measures, including cost cutting, which to the extent abated the negative influences arising under the circumstances. To my board of directors, who has guided me time to time through their wisdom to way forward to achieve the goal of the company. And in this COVID situation, their guidance has really was very fruitful, and you are personally benefited as they guided us during this COVID period. And we are the proud members of Reliance family that we need to nurture our spirit and competitiveness further to get and to achieve our objectives to a greater extent. Needless to mention that in this COVID coronavirus effect period, some of our colleagues were affected, who by the grace of Almighty Allah already eventually recovered. We put on our best efforts to ensure our safety of our employees in all offices in order to cope with the impact of COVID-19 in our business. In Bangladesh, as you know, that if you consider these sector reductions, business reductions, it is about 8%. But in Reliance, we lost business, but our business loss is very, very minimum than that of last year. It is only about 2.3 or 2.45, 2.3% or something like that. Rather, it is a great achievement in the COVID situation.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. As we are passing through some unprecedented times, uh, still Reliance Insurance performance was very good in 2020. Our shareholders' equity was increased 20%. Total asset of the company has increased 15%.
Assalamu alaikum. Uh, Despite the economic downturn due to unprecedented COVID pandemic during the financial year 2020, we were largely able to hold our business portfolios and achieved 2,937 million gross premium and 1,062 million of net premium.
Assalamu alaikum. COVID-19 has negative impact on our business. Our premium income reduces by 2.50%.
Due to COVID-19 pandemic situation, bank rate fall and the regulatory bodies binding for not giving cash dividend more than 50% was the main reason for falling investment income by 4.41% in 2020.
Yes, Assalamu alaikum. Last year, when we were impacted by COVID, we were concerned that we'll be getting a lot of claims for our health plan from our clients. But fortunately, the impact of COVID-19 on our portfolio has not been that.
Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. We are definitely passing through a tough and challenging times since March 2020 due to coronavirus pandemic. However, Alhamdulillah, we could somehow manage well our duties and commitments towards coordinated client service.